Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. It's What's Cooking Daddy. Yes. Wow, guys. So, my family, thank you for actually following thus far. So, the family wakes up this morning and they come to my door and they're like, hey, we're waiting. What's cooking, Daddy? I'm like, what? They're like, yeah, we're waiting for breakfast. So, I decided that I'm going to come make a quick breakfast, guys. It's going to be, What's Cooking Daddy? It's a simple cooking show. We make simple food. We simplify things in the home. It's easy for anyone who's first time in the kitchen, who's never cooked, or an amateur. Moms, dads, who's never been in the kitchen. Come on, this is for you. So yeah, I woke up and I said I'm going to make oats. Yes, oats. Oats for my little goats. Oats for goats. That's how they say in the house with the family. So guys, yeah. Why oats, guys? Oats is very, very healthy, guys. Contrary to like popular belief, people don't like oats and say it's too plain and whatnot. Guys, this is a very, very, very healthy breakfast. Oats is rich in fiber, dietary fibers. The dietary fibers that can help with your metabolic rate, increase your metabolic rate. It helps food pass through your digestive system faster. It helps stop your digestive system from clogging up. So that's the dietary fibers that are in oats. It's very, very high in essential carbs, slow release energy. So you stay fuller for longer when you have oats. It's high in protein as well. So yeah, that's why you see those guys when you watch those comedies, or those prison shows when they're feeding the prisoners, they're always feeding them oats. And those guys are huge. Have you seen how huge they are? I'm not saying go to prison to eat oats, but come on, it's very, very healthy, guys, and it also helps lower your cholesterol. So yeah, unlike all your non-essential carbs like your cornflakes and those cocoa pops and stuff, which are very, very rich in sugar, it's unnecessary to have all that there, guys, because it's like you get fuller for longer, and then the energy passes out very fast. Unlike oats, slow release energy throughout the day. You can stay energetic, you stay fuller. So yeah, stay away from all those non-essential carbs. It's not healthy anyway. So yeah, and also they're also going to make you fat. They're going to make you lethargic. You get lazy throughout the day. You feel tired. It's just unnecessary sugars. I've got my oats here. And I've got some baobab powder. You know the baobab tree, the baobab fruit. So you can actually get baobab powder in your health stores as well. Some countries it's quite expensive because obviously baobabs grow here in Africa and nowhere else in the world. But yeah, baobab powder is very, very rich in vitamins. So yeah, and also very high in vitamin C. Got a bit of sugar. I'm not going to put much sugar. I use brown sugar, which is much better. I feel it's much better than the white sugar. So we're going to use our brown sugar. Just a little bit of that there. And then I've got soy milk. We use soy milk in our house because, the missus and the kid got eczema. And also with your dairy milk, people are lactose intolerant. Some people react to it. It gives you can break out into acne if you're a teenager. So I try and stay away from the dairy milks, and I use soy milk. And soy milk also is very high in protein. So very good for us. So let's get to it, guys. We're going to be making the oats. It's very, very simple. I'm going to be making this for 3 people. So I'm going to use about 4 scoops of 3 scoops actually of my oats. There we go. My hob is always hot. My stove. Last time I bent fingers and on the last episode it was hectic. So yeah, I've got that there. My pot is very hot, and I'm going to add my water. You hear that there because my pot was quite hot. So it doesn't take long to make the oats. So I always make sure that when I'm preparing my oats, I continually stir it until it comes to the boil. And I'm going to reduce the heat on my pot to about 4. And yeah, I'm going to get to cover my plate with the lid when it's starting to boil. And it's always nice to have the oats, not overly cooked, because you don't want to lose that you don't want the fiber in it to get very soft. You want it to still stay with that essential taste. So you don't want your oats to overboil. So I'm going to leave it there for about maybe till it's over boiling. Okay, no, it's not over boiling. There we go. Take that off a bit and stay it here. So yeah, I'm going to carry on stirring this here until it's ready to be chowed. So every now and then I'm going to check it, stir it, close the pot, reduce my heat. So yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Then I put a bit of salt while it's actually boiling. There we go. trying to make it cold. It's actually coming to the top. So kind of like, for me, just let it go down again. Because I want it to overspill. And always make sure, guys, your cooking space is clean. So yeah, these guys are actually now on my What's Cooking with Daddy. My family is really enjoying. The missus is actually really enjoying. And they're waiting for this oats to get done. So I guess cooking now has been taken over by Daddy. They're enjoying what I'm making, or does she really just want me to just stay in the kitchen? And she's telling me my food is nice and just stomaching it. But I think it's nice, guys. If you've been watching other episodes, guys, like, comment, tell me what else you want to see on the show. Comment, guys, give me ideas of your international meals, the meals from your country. Tag me, tell me what more you want to see on the show. Yeah, let's cook together on What's Cooking with Daddy. So I'm going to leave this here for a bit, and then I'm going to get back to you guys. Let's give it about 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and then I'll dish. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing. So just stay tuned, guys. We'll be back. Okay, guys. So we're back. Okay, our oats has been on the hob for like 5 minutes. So I'm going to put some sugar. I don't like putting a lot of sugar also, guys. So yeah, so I'm going to put like 3 teaspoons of sugar, because I don't want the kids to have too much sugar, And also, guys, you must be careful. This white sugar, white bread, white potato, and I also cook with white rice. All that stuff there, guys, it's fast releasing. So you try to find, when you give your kids like white sugar or white bread, all of a sudden they just got this mad energy, and then 30 minutes, boom, they're down. They're tired. They don't want to do anything. And like when they have the brown bread, the brown rice, your oats, it's all slow releasing. They feel full of, for longer. So it's much better. It's much healthier. So yeah, let's choose our healthy options, guys. Stay away from, those non-essential carbs, Stuff like cornflakes is nice, Stuff like Cocoa Pops as a treat. But not every day they wake up. They must eat healthy. Healthy eating is good. Also, on What's Cooking with Daddy, also on some healthy stuff. Yeah. Good, healthy kids. That's what we want. So this is about ready, guys. I'm going to get me my dishing spoon. So we're going to give it the final taste. What's Cooking with Daddy. Right, found my dishing spoon. I found the dishing spoon. I'm having fun, guys. These guys actually, they woke me up, literally woke me up to make them chow. So yeah, we're going to take this off the hob because it's done. We don't want to overcook our oats, like I said, guys. You want to still retain that nice fiber from the oats, because it gets too soft. You just overboil the nutrients. So let's keep it going, So yeah. Oh yeah, guys, and by the way, thanks to my guys at Pyrex, guys. They hooked me up with my apron. Yeah, Pyrex, you guys rock, man. I'm going to mix that up. Oh, this looks good. It looks good, guys. I'm going to show you guys this. Yum. So there we go. Let's put a bit of that in there. Check this out. Nice, creamy. You can still see the fiber in it. You can still see the oats is still grainy, and yeah. So you don't want to make it too soft. It's not supposed to be runny. And then we're going to put a bit of baobab powder. Yeah, like I said, baobab powder is very, very high in vitamins, guys, especially vitamin C. So sprinkle baobab powder over it like that. And there we go. And then some soy milk. Just a bit. There we go. So let's dig into it. I've already put the sugar. So I'm going to mix that. And give it a good old mix. This is going to taste yum. It looks yum. Let's go for it. It's creamy, nice and chewy. Health, right there. Awesome stuff, guys. That's it. There, What's Cooking with Daddy. Breakfast is done. Cereal is done. Slow release energy comes throughout the day. These guys are not going to bother me until after lunch. Maybe lunchtime. But thanks for watching, guys. Love you all. What's Cooking with Daddy. Thank you. Subscribe. Come get it, guys.